Hello, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. We are in video 11 Excel for basic, and in this video we are going to join the text in Excel. So what we like to do is we want like Canada carry. We want like this. We are going to join the cells. How can we do it? We'll just enter here equal to and then concatenate. You can see here concatenate and hit tab and then select this first cell, and then you can see the text is shown text as 1 and then comma, and then we will put here space because we want space between these two words, and for space we are going to use special character. So for that we will put it in comma, so we will inverted comma. So we will press here inverted comma and space and then again inverted comma and then comma, and then we will select the another shell and we will close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can see our result is